In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Yahoo Mail 2026, step by step. If you want to access your Yahoo Mail account quickly and without confusion, this walkthrough will guide you through the full login process in a simple and clear way. This is especially helpful if you are signing in on a desktop browser and want to make sure you are following the correct steps. To begin, open your web browser and go to yahoo.com. Once the page loads, you'll be on the Yahoo homepage. This is the starting point for accessing your Yahoo account, including Yahoo Mail. Make sure the page has fully loaded so all of the navigation options are visible. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on Sign In. This will take you to Yahoo's login page, where you can start entering your account details. If you are already partially signed in or have used Yahoo on that device before, Yahoo may show you saved account options first. At that point, select an account if one appears on the screen. This usually happens when the browser remembers a previously used Yahoo account. Click the correct account that you want to sign in with. If you are using a shared device, take an extra second to confirm that you are choosing the right account before continuing. After selecting the account, enter your password in the password field. Be careful while typing, since passwords are case sensitive. If you make a small typing error, the login may not work, so it can help to type slowly and double check before moving on. If needed, you can usually use the Show Password option to verify what you entered, especially if you are on a private and secure device. Once your password is entered, click on Next. Yahoo will then process your login information and sign you in. Depending on your account settings, you may be taken directly into your account, or Yahoo may briefly load the next screen before finishing the sign-in process. And that's it. You are already signed in. From there, you can open your Yahoo Mail and start checking your inbox, sending messages, or managing your account as needed. A quick tip before you go. If you are signing in on a personal computer, staying signed in can make future access faster. But if you are using a public or shared device, it's always safer to sign out when you're done. That's the full process for logging into Yahoo Mail in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.